Most common questions asked by physiotherapy students after finishing their courses are which association to join after completion of the course. Second question, why we are paid so much less even after studying all the medical subjects for 4.5 years. So my dear friends, for both these questions the answer is same, which is lack of centralized council of physiotherapy in India. Hello, Namaskar and welcome to my channel Physio Trends. This is me, Physio Prem Shah, Associate Professor at Vikas College of Physiotherapy. So my dear students, to know answer to the first question, which is which association to register after completing the degree. There was a time in India when there were two Indian Association of Physiotherapy, and because of which we lost our registration to World Council of Physiotherapy as well. But now, as only one Indian Association of Physiotherapy is left, we have reclaimed our membership to the World Congress of Physical Therapy. And recently we have got one more association called as Global Association of Physiotherapy. Now dear students and friends, we need to understand that why this is happening in our field. The reason behind that, what I feel, is lack of unity in the physiotherapist. We don't actually require so many associations to run a physiotherapy council or to form a centralized council of physiotherapy. We need to understand that more separations we are making, more leg pulling we are doing of our fellow physiotherapists, we are causing harm to our physiotherapy profession, and it is going to degrade our profession day by day, and that is not good for all the physiotherapists and future physiotherapists of India. And that is the one of the biggest reason that why we are not getting paid as much as we should after studying so much of medical subjects. So my dear friends and students, to form a centralized council of physiotherapy in India, it will be better that we unite together and try harder towards one direction rather than going in opposite direction to each other. And once the centralized independent council of physiotherapy is formed, there will be norms for minimum pay for physiotherapists, there will be norms for minimum working hours for physiotherapists, there will be vacancies in government sectors. So what I believe is we all should follow particularly one association of physiotherapy present in India right now, so that we can show our maximum strength as a physiotherapist, and it will help us to achieve our centralized council of physiotherapy earliest as possible. I am not against any association of physiotherapy in India, but what I am trying to say is just that if we are unitedly standing, we will be strong enough to form our centralized council as early as possible. I know it is difficult. I have told so many times to all of you this, that if you stop working for lesser pay or underpay, automatically people who are hiring physiotherapists or people who are taking physiotherapists, they will have to increase the rate of the session. And I am not asking to take more rate, but at least whatever you deserve, that you should demand from the patients as well as your employees. Nowadays it happens that just because we want that job, we need some money, we slog, we work for lesser money, and then we automatically degrade our profession. But just once all of us uniting together, remember, all of us, it should not be like one person is leaving that job and another person is coming and taking the job again for the lesser pay or underpay. If you are doing so, we are never going to break this chain. So remember, all of us together unitedly, if we are following this simple rule, automatically your pay will increase as a physiotherapist, and also you will get proper recognition in the healthcare professionals. So my dear friends and my dear students, if you want our profession to grow and reach to the higher level, I request all of you to work unitedly, and then only in future we can excel together. And that is the only way we can get our centralized council of physiotherapy, as well as we can get properly paid for our healthcare work. So if you like this information and if you think there is some sense in whatever I am telling, please share this to all your physio friends and so that we can create more and more awareness about this, and we can start working on this as fast as possible. Thank you so much for hearing to me and watching this video on my channel Physio Trends.